The next yo-yo trick we're going to do today is a trick called laceration. If you ever get into the world of yo-yoing and you meet other yo-yo players and stuff like this, it can be confusing what the trick is because a lot of people misinterpret it and whatnot. The trick itself, laceration, involves the yo-yo swinging up. You're taking the string with your hand and whipping it into the gap, and in mid-air, a loop forms that you put your finger into. Let me break it down and show you what it looks like. What you want to do is you whip the string into the air and you put your finger into the loop that forms, like so. You want the loop to be all the way formed when you hit that trick. So let's try that again. See that loop that's created there? That's the loop that you want to hit. You want to stick your finger into that loop once it's already formed. It's a cool looking trick. Kind of looks magical the way the loop forms. One of the key things when you start doing it is you actually have to take the string and loop it into the gap of the yo-yo, like so. Practice doing that even. Just practice looping the string into the gap. That's going to create that loop, and that's what eventually you stick your finger into when you're learning the trick. The more motion you make this way, the larger the loop's going to be because you'll have more string hitting into the gap. Bring your finger on this hand really close to the gap of the yo-yo. That's going to make your loop extra big, and it's going to allow you an easier time when you're trying to hit it. Another important thing with this is string tension. If your string's too tight, your loop's going to come out and it's going to be too small to hit. My string's actually even a little bit too tight right now. My loops aren't forming perfectly, but that's what the trick looks like. It loops into the string, and you put your finger right into that loop. Practice that. It's a good trick. It's cool looking. It's laceration.